Hi friends, you are watching first time in this channel. Please subscribe and touch bell icon for all notification on. Okay, coming to my topic is going to see how to run the cluster inside of pod inside of the some simple application in Unix. To see before the topic, you can see before video Kubernetes cluster setup. To see that video, um, the running of Nginx image in this process. The cluster setup different steps to see in the description box link there to go to my blog. You can see the blog. This is the Kubernetes cluster setup. This is the blog name to see. This is the steps to involve. It is step by step process to build it right now. Your AWS EC2 missions used to Ubuntu missions used to there. Okay, you can coming to that console and kubectl master to can check how to run the application. Kubectl get nodes. How many nodes running in this cluster? It's one node is running in the clusters. Previous videos see that. After to kubectl get pods. What is the pods are running? It is the one pod is running in this node inside of the cluster. It is the Nginx pod is running for 14 minutes age. Okay. What is the deployments? Services deployments to access that particular image of application. Doc Kubernetes kubectl get deployments. Get deployments. You're wrong. Yeah. Kubectl deployments. Yes, Nginx one deployment one by one is kubectl describe script. Nothing is Nginx kubectl describe Nginx. It's nothing. Okay, kubectl services. What services running in this port? It is the accessible of given nodes. You can access to Nginx to node server, that is particular host IP, and it is node port. To see that port is given this process, you can curl command to access that port localhost. What is the localhost? To simply say that is localhost. Localhost means the IP addresses and port number to see there. It is to display of HTML page of Docker HTML page is display. What is the Nginx image? Thank you. This is the process to display the working of the pod or not. Thank you. See again the next video. Please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.